Know what they want. Like we have said, musango gwa luberera. What they have done to us, what they have done to our people, I think we have had enough of NRM, and tomorrow we are going to demonstrate it through action and inaction. Thank you very much.
People power! Power, power! People power!
Enti unakuwalangiridwa nga public holiday abantu bonna tebalina kukola ngiri eyo njagala kubeera nga mmanyaako mu nsonga eyo.
Mukono Lari and launch is going to be the first one in Buganda.
That we don't expect a response from the police. We only expect them to comply and actually give us security as we are hosting our president. So in this case, if we see any antagonists that are going on, that will be the police, not us. For us, we have urged our people to keep discipline such that the day moves on as well. People are all waiting for our president to come in Mukono district, and they are ready to welcome him. So we are not going to antagonize anybody or anyone else in this case.
Tuliyambale olutalo laluwedde tuliyambale tulivimba mu Uganda empya. People power, our power. Fabana balero katulwane okukuza Buganda. Tujjukira nnyo bajjajja baffe abafiirira ensi yaffe. Twesiimye nnyo olwa Buganda yaffe.